ServiceNow Chairman and CEO. Thanks for having me here at Knowledge 2025. 3 years in a row.
Great to have you, John.
People are still getting together and coming to Vegas. 5 years ago, we wouldn't have taken this for granted at all.
Totally.
Why is it important to do?
Well, it's all about the customer. And right now, we're in a whole new world of agentic AI. And these enterprises are being reinvented on a platform like ServiceNow, where you can completely rethink how you run your company. And right now, John, so many companies are stuck with legacy systems. It's a $10 trillion tax in the US economy alone. And they got to move from that world where they're stuck in silos to platforms that matter. We're one of them. And we're really having a great show. We have 25,000 here live, a couple of million online today. So it's been a great show.
One of the big areas where you're growing is customer resource management, CRM. People will also recognize that as the ticker of Salesforce. But it's an area with a big addressable market. Why are you growing there? How aggressively are you going to move in and eat the lunch of perhaps some others who are already dining?
Well, it's a big market, but in that market, the customers have suffered a lot over the last decade. So right now, the cost of losing a customer is higher than ever, and the lose rate of businesses is higher than ever, 30% greater than it's been. So the customers are saying, whatever you feed me, it's not working. And so what we're trying to do is reinvent the category. And that includes how you order things, how you fulfill that order, and how you service the customer relationship. And we're doing that all on a single platform with a pristine architecture that's fully integrated to enable autonomous agentic AI to serve that customer. The net present value of a very satisfied customer is the greatest asset your listeners have. So they need ServiceNow.
A little more than an hour ago, we were talking, and you mentioned the telecom business.
Yeah.
And there was a term that terrified telco executives 20, 25 years ago, and that was dumb pipe.
Yeah.
Nobody wanted to be a dumb pipe.
Right.
Are we at the point in software where application providers are at risk of becoming a dumb pipe with somebody else's better agentic AI built on top of them, taking tomorrow's margin?
Well, I think you're going to see the consolidation of the 20th century software industrial complex. And there will be a lot less apps. Because if you don't need them all, why are you paying for them? And so what I see evolving here is the hyperscalers are all going to do great. What we're trying to do is integrate with all of them, all of the large language models out there, and have a workflow data fabric that connects with data sources from those old systems of record, or frankly, any data lake, all into one central nervous system, which is the ServiceNow platform. And that is the game change, where you can put that platform in, exit out lots of OpEx on lots of legacy that you don't need to be paying for, so you can invest in a platform that's going to cut your cost and help you grow again.
What's driving government adoption? And I'm not just talking US here, but government adoption, and is that pace sustainable?
Totally. Actually, it should increase by a lot. This platform was built for this moment, John. And this platform is all about driving efficiency and effectiveness. And if you think about the fact that one agency can't talk to another agency, or one worker has to text or email or call somebody up to get something done in 2025, doesn't even make sense. So agentic AI on a platform that connects all of the functions of an agency or a business. Government has to run like a best run business. And we bring that to the biggest agencies, not only in the United States, which has been outstanding, but now all over the world. And they're getting the memo that doing things the way you've always done them is not getting you the result that you want. So change is in the air, John.